So you guys, I recently got this hyaluronic acid. This is something that helps with hydration. You can liken it to honey. What honey does to your skin, it helps attract moisture and retain moisture on your skin. So yes, I'm not a cosmetic scientist or whatever. I'm just going to be telling you my experience of this particular hyaluronic product by Py. And I'm going to tell you everything that it has done for my skin. So I have used two bottles. I finished this one. I bought a new one just recently. That's when I know that it is time to share with you guys. So normally this serum is supposed to like give me like a plump skin, something that helps me deal with like wrinkles or scars and all of that. So as you know, I would usually give you pros and cons of you know my product review. So for the pros, this product really does hydrate my skin and keep my skin like always moisturized, and I think that also affects how much or how often I have breakouts on my skin. I mean, acne. If you are new here, we are fighting acne here. All right. This product has actually helped me clear. Like I had like a little sunburn on this side of my face, but now it's not even like a sunburn. It's more like acne scar because I kept pinching that place, and somehow it turns out to be like separately colored. And I noticed that when I started using this product, it evens out like the color of my skin, like it evens out that part of my face. Another thing I noticed is that while I was using this product, I my wounds, like my acne scars, healed quickly. Like if I have maybe I can't stop pinching my like face, like scrubbing my face and all of that. Anytime I do that and I apply this thing, like it heals quickly, and also it clears like the black spot. Now this exact serum is by Pei, is by Py, and I'm sure like many of us must have seen this product before. And yes, it also improves my skin texture and elasticity. Like I don't know, my skin just feel like really different. Although it did not stop acne, I'm going to always tell you that if it did stop acne, I'll tell you. But if it doesn't, I will also tell you. So it did not stop me from having like breakouts. But like you have this breakout, but then you don't feel bad about it because like your skin is it looks like yummy, it looks glowing, and the breakout is just looking like one kind of dot on your face. So yeah, it really did that. And how do I apply it? Just when I finish bathing, I'll apply it before I apply my moisturizer or my body cream, and then I will apply morning and night, and sometimes I just apply like once or twice a week. Yeah, nothing really serious, honestly. But I mean, I'm really shocked at the results because I just bought it out of curiosity, like this one, and I really, really like it. And if you are somebody who is suffering from sunburn, acne scars, and all of that, I think this will be a really good buy for you, and you should try it. And before I forget, my name is Glo-Mary, and on this channel, I talk about everything beauty. So for the con of this product, I feel like it's a little heavy. Like it has that consistency of honey, what honey looks like or feels like. That's what it feels like on my skin. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I mean, I feel like it's really heavy, and you can almost like feel it, coming off when you are touching your face. So I mean, that's something I would call a con. Apart from that, I've not really seen any bad side effect on my skin, personally. Yeah, that's it. And for the price, I got it for 1,700. The last one, this one, I think I got it for 1,500, but recently they have increased it to 1,700. And before you go, we do this thing here where we share a Bible verse in every long form video. And you guys, here is the verse of the day. Thank you for watching to this point, and like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you in my next one.